Nih sang balang abat keturuk. Hamlai mah. Oi. Lada lai mi register case. Mboy lai. Yang cuma. Orang kata high level one ko. San phau tan ni kit phi kamar. Na umroi ni ta kit phi na penar. Jingking dam issue jingking yung ka umroi san phau tan ni hamlai. Iu yang isa perang lai phi ter register case.
Ha ka arpo trek yong ar hajar arpo ar ko wege video kala sapriang state ke social media halur ke jing abat kitrok deu yong ha sang bangla ha ke distrik riboy balakeno bakilakit palat puat berkin dan satya ki kot kislaki bobiang unong ringe ke video lepen pauru begini kitrok ke bakit palat saupo ton udau yong kidig bawan ki tan nong ston ha west Khasi Hills bat kilaseu kandai pesan hajar sya ka kenhon high level banyo kayi be an udau yong ha ka bedai bagi jing sapriang gene ke video na kaliang uba preston tinsong ulong bo om dan jing tep ai ndai ula kentu belada don ki balap ikanu kuno ke jing kai be an udo yong ke de ben pentep mardor ki pudet ni ke bot distrik bagi nyo ben le badan kam ulong babaros kata ke sarkar kala sya keno ha ki babon ki rukom ha ka bedai bagi jing ti ni ke jing kai be an udo yong ndai ke bas ngukmen pat kalong bagi yang syari Meghalaya High Court kala penmi ke hukum halor ka kam kai be an udo yong bat ke sarkar jela ke preng subhai karai ke bala penmi de ke yang syari ban lablud ya ke jing sisha baro
baro nang Meghalaya syukuni num high level sau photon ngan sai sabi ya me up shwa ngan pan shwa ki salan ke baro salan ayu kan entry be sau khandai pesan hajar sau photon ngan li ngam nam air sabi ngan bat syu sau photon do yong klam salan wanan nong stoin entry high level khandai pesan hajar mana bokelek ya kata sewat jengtip hi kumne naduk menin mit aduk menta sispa arspa ayat kali man kamet daya keren kelut ke skor baik ya me driver ngam syun ramas tuang ha keton ngejing syutia jung ning nong penyaj nawar bakila keni kamai kaji jung kipat ba
I'm not aware about it. I'm not aware about it, but let me just reiterate. Let me tell you again. We already have district administration. Be it SP, be it DC, they are on the job 24/7. So those people who found out such irregularities in movement of trucks or coal or whatever, I think the police station also we have. Why not they immediately inform the police, immediately inform the district administration? They will take action accordingly. Not necessarily that you have to inform me, not necessarily that you have to inform Chief Minister. I think in the district itself, it can be done because that standing order has been issued to all the district administration, be it SP and be it the deputy commissioners. If the Honorable High Court wanted more transparency, we welcome that. It is good. That's what I'm telling you because now we are being blamed. They keep blaming, oh, government is like that, they're doing this, doing that. So it is good. I'm telling you, it is very, very good. I'm really satisfied. And then the government, they welcome the decision taken by the court.
Thank you.